Hey, this is Maryam from Crochet Chillpill, and today we're going to learn how to crochet Jeanine Square. I used 2 colors of yarns, 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot with any color that you want and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slip stitch into the first chain from the hook in both loops because we're going to create a circle. And take this short tail line with you to hide. Make 4 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is my first double crochet. Make the second one as usual. 3 and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 4 more double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 4 more double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 more double crochets inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can use different colors for each row, but I wanted to use just 2 colors, blue and orange, and change it row by row. Chain 3 at the end of the row, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch into your first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain in both loops. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 1. Row 2, attach your next color in any of those chain 3 spaces. Grab your yarn and pull it through, and take this short tail, chain 1 to secure. Make 2 double crochets in this chain 3 space. My first double crochet, as I told you, is a single crochet plus 2 chains in every row. And the next one, then make a double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochets. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now we reached the next chain 3 space. Make a double crochet, 1, another double crochet, 2. Now we want to make a double treble crochet, so wrap your yarn 3 times around the hook insert your hook into that first loop that we made at the beginning of the row, the first row. Like this, pull it through and complete your stitch 2 by 2. Make 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space, 1 and 2. Make a double crochet in every stitch until you reach the next chain 3 space and repeat this process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, after we made our last double crochet into the last double crochet, make 2 double crochets into this chain 3 space and make a double treble crochet. And make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. My first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your slip stitch into that second chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, attach your next color in the next stitch after our double treble crochet. I attach it right here. Grab your yarn and pull it through and chain 1 to secure. And make 2 double crochets into the same space. Make a double crochet into each of the next 6 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make 2 double crochets into the next double crochet, actually the last double crochet before our double treble crochet, right here. 1 and 2. Like this. So we have 10 double crochets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now skip the double treble crochet and make 2 double crochets into the next stitch right after our double treble crochet. 2 double crochets. 1, and 2. Make a double crochet into each of the next 6 double crochets. And 2 double crochets into the last double crochet before our double treble crochet. Chain 3 and continue the process to the end. At the end of the row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is the end of row 3. Row 4, attach your next color in any of those chain 3 spaces. Grab the yarn, pull it through and chain 1 to secure. And make 2 double crochets in the same space. 1 and 2. And make a double crochet in each of the next stitches until you reach the next chain 3 space. I made 10 double crochets after I made my 2 double crochets in the chain 3 space until I reached the next chain 3 space. Make 2 double crochets in this chain 3 space. Wrap the yarn 3 times around the hook and we're going to make a double treble crochet in the double treble crochet 2 rows below. And complete the stitch 2 by 2. Make 2 more double crochets in the same chain 3 space. Make a double crochet in each of the next double crochets until you reach the next chain 3 space and repeat this process to the end. We'll continue until we reach our first chain 3 space. So I reached the end of the row, this chain 3 space, make 2 double crochets in it, 1 and 2, and make your double treble crochet 1, 2, 3 times, wrap it around the hook and insert your hook into the stitch 2 rows below, the double crochet stitch 2 rows below, and complete the stitch 2 by 2. And at the end of the row, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is the end of row 4. Row 5, attach your next color in any of the first double crochets right after your double treble crochets. I insert my hook right here, grab the yarn, pull it through and chain 1 to secure. And make a single crochet into the same space. Make a single crochet in each stitch until you reach the next double treble crochet. 7, and 14. Make a single crochet into your double treble crochet as well. Chain 2, 1, 2, and make a single crochet in each stitch until you reach the next double treble crochet. Then chain 2 again and continue the process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, after you made your last stitch into your double treble crochet, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is how it looks like at the end. Hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video, write your comments, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you next tutorials. Bye!